People can learn a thing or two from dogs. Big dogs, little dogs, fuzzy dogs, dogs with floppy ears, others with straight ones all run and play together, regardless of what the other dog looks like. When we treat others differently because they look different or wear different clothes, go to a different church or school, we call this discrimination. The United Nations Declaration of Human Rights states that all people should enjoy freedom from discrimination. How can we avoid discrimination and help others do the same? Here are some ideas. First, we need to remember how much we all have in common. We're more alike than we're different. Second, we should go out of our way to include others, especially someone new, in all our activities. Third, what if it were you that was treated unfairly because of your clothes or your accent? We call this empathy. Finally, have the courage to stand up for someone others are picking on or bullying. We'll make the world a better place, and maybe along the way, make some new friends. More ideas from the Geneva Office of Human Rights Education.